In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive files with non-Gmail accounts. By the end, you'll know how to create a shareable link so anyone can access your file, even if they don't use a Gmail address. I'll keep the process simple and add helpful context so you know exactly what each choice means. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the file you want to share. In the top right corner of the page, look for the Google Apps grid, the small square made up of dots. Click that to open the menu of Google Services. From the menu, choose Drive. This takes you into your Google Drive where all your files and folders live. If you're sharing a folder or a specific file like a doc, sheet, slide, PDF, or video, the steps are the same. Navigate to the item you want to share and ensure you have the right to share it. If you don't own it, you'll need the owner's permission. Find the file you want to share and click the three dots next to it. That opens the More Actions menu. Move your mouse over the Share option to highlight it, then click Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who can see or interact with the file. In the sharing window, look for the General Access section. It often defaults to Restricted, which limits access to people you explicitly add. To let non-Gmail users in, change this setting to Anyone with the link. This creates a link that works for any recipient, regardless of their email provider. Just below that, check the permission level. Viewer is safest for most cases, since it lets people open and read without changing anything. If you need feedback, you can choose Commenter. And if true collaboration is required, Editor. Be cautious with broader permissions, especially for sensitive content. Once the access is set to anyone with the link and the permission level looks right, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste it into an email, a chat message, or any communication tool you use. Let recipients know what the file is and whether they should view, comment, or edit, so expectations are clear. If you're working with confidential files, consider sharing only what's necessary and reviewing access afterward. That's it. Your Google Drive file is now accessible to people without Gmail using the link you copied.